you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have October's Glossybox. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so October Glossybox just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, one thing, this month we were supposed to have a nice little decorative box. I will show you here what the box was supposed to look like. There was 2 different variations that you could have received, but I was told that the boxes were still stuck in transit, like so many products from so many different companies. So instead of them sending it late, they plopped it in their normal pink box to get the products out. But there was going to be a nice little decorative box this month. So it came just like this in the pink box. And then down inside, when you open her up, that is the pamphlet. Yes, because that goes with the theme. And then we do have some other papers in here. And then when you open it up, there is this ribbon. And I always save that. You never know when you need to tie something up. And then in here, when you remove the sticker, there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So down inside, we'll go over each product and it will give you the value. If it's a full size or a mini or a deluxe size, it gives you the true value for that product. Okay, so let's start with this guy right here. This is from Ahava and it looks like it is a soothing body lotion. I really do like this brand, so I'm so excited to see that in there. Plus, this is a nice size. It's dropped down like in your gym bag, your book bag, your purse, on your nightstand, that kind of thing. This right here is the deluxe mini and it is worth $5. The full size is $31. This light yet ultra hydrating body lotion is powered with the superfood kale and turmeric. Known for their natural antioxidants, they help protect from premature signs of aging so your skin will feel smooth, refreshed, and rehydrated. So there is item number 1, again valued for $5. Here's the next product. This is by One Kind. It's a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. This is the deluxe mini. It's worth... Okay, so let me retry that. The whole power just cut out for like 5 minutes. Good thing I could still feel where my mouth was. I was able to drink my wine. Now I got speakers and stuff saying things are connecting and holy moly. I don't remember connecting. Yeah, okay, things are connecting out there because power was out for like 5 minutes. I was just sitting here drinking my wine. Like, any longer I'm not gonna be able to see to fill it up. I know I was on this product, but where I was, I have no clue. So here we go. This is a supercharged night cream. Get you up and glowing by the AM. It locks in moisture and has antioxidants to combat pesky signs of aging, while barley seed and chamomile extracts smooth away irritation from the day. So you have this to try out, and if you like it, you can purchase the full size. Now let's keep on Mother Nature at her finest. So let me keep on going before we lose power again. Let me get through this. So here's the next item right here. This is from Josephine Cosmetics. It's the full-size product valued for $30. It's a bold matte liquid lipstick and it's in the color Meat. Is that supposed to be Tiffany? I don't know. It kind of looks like it was supposed to be like Tiffany, but it's TIPH. Let's see who's on the inside. Let's meet this person. Ooh, it looks like it is going to be a red color right there. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway pile for hopefully one of you guys to enjoy. This does say a classic red lip is always on trend, blended with cocoa butter, olive oil, and vitamin E to create a superb moisturizing texture. This innovative formula keeps your lips luscious for up to 10 hours of wear while holding a soft sheen. Again, valued for $30, but I will put this in my future giveaway pile for one of you guys to enjoy. Next item, this will go in my giveaway pile as well. This is by Eco London. It's a Black Magic liquid eyeliner. This is a travel size. It's valued for $12. The full size is valued at $22. A fan favorite, this vegan liquid liner will last you all night. It allows full control, giving you the precision to draw the perfect cat eye. Its long-lasting formula is smudge-proof and fade-proof, so you can rest assured it'll stay in place. And again, this one is valued for $12. Next we have is this right here. It says that it is a self-warming eye mask. This is a single pack that's valued for $4. The 5-pack is worth $20. If you're having trouble getting your beauty sleep or just want to feel extra relaxed, Pop Mask could be the perfect solution. Made with non-woven cotton and natural occurring ingredients, this fragrance-free mask will provide warmth, soothing, and relaxation. And I have used these before. I've tried using them like when I have a migraine to see if it'll kind of help, but I know normally cold helps for my migraines, but I tried the reverse effect with heat and it seemed to work one time. But these are just nice just to put over just to help you feel relaxed if you want a little warmth added. But it says that it warms in 30 seconds. Yeah, so there's one inside for one single use, and there's that. Then there's one item left in here, and it says More is More, Judith Lieber. I'm not quite sure. It says for her. This right here, oh, it says it looks like it's fragrances. Let's see. Whatever. I just ripped it open. So it looks like you have 3 little sample perfumes in here. It says that this right here is worth $12 and the full size is worth $145. Woo! So it says mix and match the 3 fragrances to create your own personalized scent. An innovative way to experience fragrance. You can make your next favorite aroma as flavorful, zesty, or as floral as you would like every day of every week and any occasion. Okay. So it looks like one of them is going to be rose because I do see roses next to it. So I'm kind of scared and I wish I didn't rip it. I'm going to leave the rose one well enough alone and I'm going to remove the other 2 and sniff them. Wait, that one says floral. That one says zest. Hold up. I'm going to just smell the zest one. I don't know. Let me smell the zest one first because I'm not afraid of that one. You know? That one smells good. Definitely not zest. That one does smell pretty good. I actually do like that one. Let me just see what will happen if I put on this one that says floral. I just hope it's not rose. I'll put it on over it and see what it changes it to. It definitely changed the scent, but it does not smell floral to me. Maybe because I only did one light little spray. But it definitely changed the scent. Let me try this one on its own. Oh no, I sprayed both. I whooped it in. I mixed it in, right? Let me go up here. Okay, so that one by itself is not floral like rose. Thank goodness. It's more like, I don't know what to call it. More of like the lily kind of side of it, like calla lily kind of like scent, not like rose, not that kind of floral, the other floral, everything but rose kind of floral. That does smell good, but then, okay, so I can definitely tell the difference with adding that to this, but not to this one. So I have like 3 completely different scents on me right now. And this one has a rose next to it, but it says gourmand. I don't know what that means. So let me see. But I could always add the other to it, right? And take the scent right away if it is too floral like that. Yeah, nope. I don't like that scent. And then I go back in. No, I don't like that scent. So let me add this one floral to it. Let me see what that'll do. Okay, that definitely made it a completely different scent that smells a lot more breathable. So that's good. I definitely don't like this first situation, but these other 2 smell really good individually and mixed together. So it's really neat that it's like your own personal scent. Just mix it. Oh, wait, I think with this flyer. Okay. So this flyer, you would get it like that. So you would have like all 3 of them in there and maybe you twist the lid to know which one you want to. That's different. That is definitely unique. You normally don't see like a 3-in-1 perfume for you to use individually or mix them to create your own individual scent. That is really neat. That's very, very unique. I like that. I just don't like this one individually, but once I added the other scent to it, it was very doable. So that is definitely different for sure. Oh, and that gave you a 25% off your purchase, Glossy 21, if you wanted to get the full size. So that is actually cool. So if you like this concept and you wanted to purchase the full, being $145, you can use that 25% off coupon to save some money. Every little bit helps, you guys. So that is everything. So a quick recap, you have this really, really extremely neat concept with the perfumes to test out and try out to create your own scent. You have a heated eye mask. I like that it's not just like a normal sheet mask. It actually is going to heat up and actually do something for you. Here's a body lotion. You do have this nighttime moisturizer. You have a black liquid eyeliner. And then you have this really nice red, probably a really pretty festive looking color for the winter season, liquid lipstick. So that is everything that came in the October box. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items inside? What do you think of Glossybox? If you want a little bit more information about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. I do have a code down below that will take you to their website. Right now, if you do follow that link, you can get your very first box for $16. If you do month to month, it's $21. If you go down to a 12-month subscription, it brings it to $18 per box. You can cancel at any time, and they have free international shipping. I absolutely love that because no matter where you live, you can receive this box at no additional charge. Plus, you always get a really nice constructed box. Sometimes they're, you know, more their limited edition style, like with the design, or the standard pink. Either way, you can still use them for different things. And yeah, so you have at least 5 products in the box with a guaranteed worth of $70 or higher every single time. So that is everything that I have. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.